animal welfare. Do you remember that one defining moment where you knew that I think this is the purpose that I want to dedicate my life for?
No, I got my first dog bite at the age of 6 when I was trying to.
सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है ये एनिमल क्रूरटी को रोकने का?
इग्नोरेंट तो आप नहीं होते जा रहे हो, लेकिन कंपैशनेट पर कम से कम सा. आफ्टर ऑल दिस ईयर देयर हैज बीन मोर मीट ईटिंग देन ऑल द प्रीवियस ईयर्स. कि मीट ईटिंग जो है हम लोगों ने इसको एस्पिरेशनल कर दिया. तो अब हमारे देश में कुछ जैन्स भी मांस खाते हैं. वो कहेंगे हम घर पर नहीं खाएंगे.
What are some of the laws that you strongly feel needs to be changed or implemented to the T?
No, what needs to be changed, we need to have much stronger animal welfare laws. It's not just birds.
इतना माइन्यूट लेवल पे जाके कितने लोग सोचते हैं मैम, आज आपको अपने बच्चे पालने हैं, सब करना है. दिस इज टू माइन्यूट फॉर एनीबॉडी.
Nothing is minute, Biti. Nothing is minute. Everything deserves thought and respect.
Because what you've gone through at a tender age of 23 and Maneka Gandhi that we see today, I think there is a day-night difference.
I'm very proud of being in the army, and we grew up with a lot of discipline. But more than the army, my mother, my philosophy is very simple. ना मैं पीछे के बारे में सोचती हूँ और ना मैं आगे के बारे में सोचती हूँ. जो दुनिया है और जो मेरी जिंदगी है, it is just.
Hello, Marika ma'am. Thank you so much for joining Gold Media. Truly a pleasure to have you on our podcast today. So many listeners from across the world, and this podcast is going to be so interesting. It's going to be all about your animal welfare journey, your love for animals, and everything that you have done over the course of so many years. So welcome again to Gold Media. And my first question to you is, you have spent decades in animal welfare. Do you remember that one defining moment where you knew that I think this is the purpose that I want to dedicate my life for?
No. No. I don't remember that because I got my first dog bite at the age of 6 when I was trying to feed a stray dog on my way back from school. And that didn't worry me at all. So I think I was actually just born for this.
So yeah, animal love was just naturally
just
imbibed
came.
in you.
Yes, but that didn't mean I knew anything. It's taken me a long time to learn, to know, to do things correctly. Even now I learn every day. So I've made lots and lots of mistakes.
We'll come to that. I have several questions on that because I am inclined towards animal welfare and activism, but I have several questions. So, over the years of like so many rescues, what were some of the lessons learned, ma'am? And what are some of the animals that you truly feel are misunderstood?
I feel all animals are misunderstood. I can't think of a single animal that we do not look after. I mean, there is no animal that is so beautiful and so small and so harmless that we will let it live. Even now in India, they've started a tamasha to kill pigeons. In Assam, there is fighting between bulbuls that is organized to make them die. We kill elephants, we kill tigers, we kill every animal. So, which animal is not misunderstood? Let us start with the chicken. The chicken is one of the most intelligent of all animals. They have a language, they tell lies, they get married, they have girlfriends. They have the two wives fight amongst themselves. जो sometimes, they have in-laws. They फसाओ girls. So, I mean, and yet we eat them. It's exactly like a human being. Pigs are far more intelligent than dogs, totally loyal. Again, ये रिश्ते में they are हमारे मामे लगते हैं, and yet we eat them. You think which animal is it that we do not bother to understand? Think, my dog expects, I can say to my dog, sit, stand, go, no, and he will understand.
Yeah.
But can I understand a single thing that he says? Not one thing can I understand. So who is the stupider of the two? So when it comes now, for instance, a lot of people are very frightened of lizards.
Yeah.
Yes, तो कमरे में नहीं आएंगे. They won't come into a room if there's a lizard. And
Mhm.
yet lizards are so beautiful. Look at those huge, Lothario eyes. And those amazing, and it's so amazingly useful. During COVID, we knew somebody who had paloed a lizard. He didn't have dogs or cats, so he made friends with the lizard in his room. And
Okay.
after 1 year, when he was going to work,
Yeah.
every time he would go near the door to go out, the lizard, which was on the ceiling, would throw itself down on the floor and say, Mat jao, mat jao.
Oh my
So
goodness. So they get emotionally attached. So they understand emotions much better than humans do.
imagine a world in which they are all at our mercy. Their predominant emotion would be fear, no? कि कब मार पड़ेगी, कब कत्ल होगा, कब हम लोगों के साथ धोखा होगा. After all, let's just take one thing. The Muslims keep a goat
Yeah.
and palo it for 1 year and are really nice to it and then take it out and kill it.
So sad, right?
So
So,
the
so
goat, no,
unhappy.
the goat must be thinking कि अभी तो मैं आपके पलंग के साथ रहता था और अब आप मुझे मार रहे हो. ये धोखा मेरे साथ हुआ कैसे?
Hmm.
And it's like that with all animals. The ant that we put our feet on, the slug that we throw out. Every single animal fears for its life, fears pain, has its own version of attachment and love,
Mm-hmm.
and yet we treat them so badly. तो किसको मैं कहूँ कि which animal is the most misunderstood?
Hmm. तो मैम सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है ये एनिमल क्रूelty को रोकने का? ऑन वन
एक ही
हैंड
तरीका
आई
है.
सी on one hand I see that there is so much awareness, so many big campaigns going on. So as a society, are we really moving towards being more compassionate? क्योंकि हमको पता चल रहा है अभी बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया है, सब कुछ है कि ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. वीगनिज्म में इतना बड़ी चीजें बोलते हैं हम लोग. सो एज अ सोसाइटी हम लोग कंपैशनेट होते जा रहे हैं या और इग्नोरेंट होते जा रहे हैं?
इग्नोरेंट तो आप नहीं होते जा रहे हो, लेकिन कंपैशनेट पर कम से कम सा. आफ्टर ऑल, this year there's been more meat eating than all the previous years. There is only one way to stop being cruel, and that is not to eat meat. बस. अगर आप खाना बंद कर दोगे तो आपका पूरा शरीर, आपका जो सोल है, आपकी जो कॉन्शियंस है, वो
हम्म.
इतने सतर्क बन जाएगी, इतने अवेयर बन जाएगी कि यू विल नॉट बी यूजिंग एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. You will look at your world in a different way. आपका खून ही बदल देता है.
और इस चीज का अवेयरनेस करने के लिए हमको प्रोबेबली वी विल हैव टू जस्ट रीच आउट टू मोर एंड मोर पीपल एंड शो देम व्हाट दे आर पार्ट ऑफ. बिकॉज जो मीट ईटिंग होते हैं, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू गेट
देखिए,
कन्विंस.
ऐसे है कि मीट ईटिंग जो है, हम लोगों ने इसको एस्पिरेशनल कर दिया है.
हाँ.
तो अब हमारे देश में कुछ जैन्स भी मांस खाते हैं. वो कहेंगे हम घर पर नहीं खाएंगे, लेकिन बाहर जाकर के खाएंगे, क्योंकि सोचते हैं कि इससे वो बड़े हीरो बन जाते हैं. इफ यू
हम्म.
मेक मीट ईटिंग एस्पिरेशनल instead of the dirty filthy thing that it is,
हम्म.
after eating a dead body or keeping a dead body on your table, is
हम्म.
disgusting. It's disgusting.
इट
But
इज.
if we, हाँ, but
मैम,
if we
जैन
make it
जैन धर्म के
aspirational,
लोगों को आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी? क्योंकि वो एक धर्म, ऐसा धर्म है जिसने सबसे ज्यादा कंपैशन सिखाया है.
हाँ, नहीं, उनको तो मैं बोलती हूँ ना कि आपको कम से कम 1 लाख जन्म लेने पड़ते हैं जैन बनने के लिए. इसको इस लाइफ में तबाह मत करें.
खत्म मत
बहुत
करिए.
सारे जैन्स, सुन लीजिए, चाहे मांस ना खाएं, लेकिन उनका इतना ऑब्सेशन हो गया है पैसों के साथ कि वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. मिसाल, जेलेटिन कंपनीज इन इंडिया आर ओन्ड बाय जैन्स. नाउ जेलेटिन इज बोन, एनिमल बोन. ये जो मूर्ति बनाने का धंधा है राजस्थान में और मुरादाबाद में, और सन, दे मेक काउ बोन इनटू कृष्णा या राधा या शिव, and this is also Jain. मान लो, let us just look at the other thing, which is a lot of Jains are in the jewelry business.
हम्म.
Lekin diamonds and all the other jewelry that is made is mined from the ground. जब
हम्म.
आप माइनिंग में पड़ जाओगे तो यू किल मिलियंस ऑफ एनिमल्स. एक छोटे मोटे नहीं, मिलियंस वे टॉकिंग
हाँ.
अबाउट. चाहे आपने अपने हाथ से नहीं मारा, लेकिन
हम्म
मर तो गया आपकी वजह से.
हम्म
सो देयर हैज टू बी थॉट गोइंग इनटू बीइंग अ जैन. ये जो
एब्सोल्युटली
मैं जो बार बार पीछी के बारे में बोलती हूँ,
हाँ
ये जो दिगंबर जैन की जो मुनि है, उन्होंने पूरी दुनिया छोड़ दी है. श्वेता, द वंस दैट वेयर द पीकॉक
वाइट
feathers, yeah,
ओके या
not
द
that
दिगंबर
are
जेन्स
don't wear clothes, the digambars.
या
सो आई एम सेइंग आपने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया, कपड़े तक छोड़ दिए, लेकिन आपको पीछी से ही लगाव है. Now this peachy is made of peacock feathers, and because of these peacock feathers, all those peacocks are killed. वो
हम्म
अपने आप तो नहीं गिरते हैं. तो आप फिर इससे अच्छा कि आप हड्डियां ही पहन लें पीछे में.
वो एक अटैचमेंट क्यों
हाँ, वो एक बचा हुआ है, जिसको कहते हैं हाथी निकला पूंछ रह गई दरवाजे में.
हम्म
वो पीछी का की हालत है.
हम्म
लेकिन जब मैं बोलती हूँ इसके बारे में तो सारे जैन्स बहुत नाराज होते हैं.
नहीं ये मैसेज जरूर जाना चाहिए और हमको उनका भी पक्ष सुनना चाहिए कि वो उनका क्या है एग्जैक्टली
कुछ
exactly,
भी एक
इस चीज में
There is no reason for having the peacock feathers as a peachy. There's just no reason. There is no reason. Acha, I'm saying the person who sells diamonds, the person who's in the diamond mining, उसका
या
तो वो कह सकते हो ना कि मेरा धंधा है. लेकिन जो मुनि है, वो क्या बोल सकते हैं?
मैम यहाँ पे आप यूएस में मैंने जो देखा है पीपल डू अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक डॉग न्यूटरिंग हाउ एथिकल इज दैट बिकॉज इट completely takes away the natural sex drive of that animal so that way also we are kind of hampering or intervening with the natural with the mother nature on the other side we see that in India there are so many stray dogs तो हम लोगों को इंडिया में न्यूटरिंग को प्रमोट करना चाहिए क्या क्या एक ये
It has to be
इम्पोर्टेंट है
done. It has to be done. Neutering has to be done.
ओके
अगर या तो आप जब हमने न्यूट्रिएंट का ऑर्डर दिया था और कानून बना था, बिफोर दिस अबाउट 1 crore डॉग्स वर किल्ड एवरी ईयर लीगली. और उनको कैसे मारते थे? डंडे वंडों से तो नहीं. उनको दे यूज्ड टू डिग होल्स इन द ग्राउंड, थ्रो द डॉग इन एंड टच हिम विद बिजली का तार. इस किस्म की गंदे तरीकों से मारते थे. इससे अच्छा कि आप न्यूट्रिंग करते. अगर कुत्ते को
हम्म
आपने छोड़ना है सड़क पर,
हम्म
after all, in India, we are very peculiar. We are still colonial in our mindset. हम अपने घर में विदेशी कुत्ता रखेंगे और
हाँ
बाहर हम पत्थर मारेंगे हमारे देसी कुत्ते को. Hmm?
हाँ
The point is that if you want to keep allow dogs on the road, which is fine by me, because I'm saying it's wonderful. We are so compassionate. But if you want them on the road, then you want them not to be that many. कि आप डर जाओ उनसे. You also don't want them to bite you. Now, when you neuter them, उसका testosterone चला जाता है.
हाँ
हाँ, so when do dogs bite? In 3 वजह होती है. सबसे पहले जब लड़की हीट पर आती है तो सारे मर्द कुत्ते उसके पीछे पीछे जा जा करके दे गेट आउट ऑफ देयर टेरिटरीज, देन दे फाइट विद ईच अदर, एंड रास्ते में इंसान आ जाए तो उसको भी काट खाते हैं.
हम्म
So once you remove that drive, then they will not go out. Number two, bites take place when जब माँ बच्चे देती है, घबराती है कि उसके बच्चों को कोई मारे, तो
नुकसान
पहले
नहीं
से ही
होगा
अगर आप पास में जा रहे हो वो काटती है.
हाँ
तो अगर बच्चे नहीं होंगे तो वो काटेगी भी नहीं. और
हाँ
नंबर थ्री होता है कि जब आप कहते हो ओहो मेरी कॉलोनी में बहुत ज्यादा कुत्ते हैं, रात को किसी को पैसे दे करके उठाओ एंड थ्रो हिम इनटू अनदर कॉलोनी. तब वो कुत्ता ही इज लॉस्ट, ही इज हंग्री, ही डजंट नो हु द पीपल आर, तो वो तो
या
काटेगा ही. फिर
हम्म
आप उसको मारोगे. So neutering is very important. Now what has happened in India is, unfortunately, the order for neutering came out in 2001.
हम्म
From 2001 to 2026, government has not put in 1 rupee. तो जब आप एक पैसा नहीं डाले हो तो म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज अपने आप ही कर रहे हैं, प्राइवेट पीपल आर डूइंग इट अपने आप.
हम्म
So it is not going well. It is not a coordinated program,
तो ये
and it is
प्रायोरिटी है ही नहीं
नहीं प्रायोरिटी के अलावा it is full of terrible corruption. इसमें कम से कम 300 लोगों ने नकली एनजीओज बना करके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिया है, और उसमें 50% ऑफ डॉग्स दे किल एंड दे टेक द मनी फॉर स्टेरिलाइजेशन. तो वो लाखों लाखों कुत्ते बहुत बेरहमी से मर रहे हैं because the people doing the operations are sweepers, petrol pump owners, इस किस्म के लोग pretending to be doctors.
So sad. Actually, you answered my next question, मैम. मैं पूछना चाहती थी कि इंडिया के जो डॉग्स हम लोग देखते हैं वो इतने अग्रेसिव क्यों हैं, और उनको देखने से ना डर लगता है कभी कभी
नहीं,
कि
वो बिल्कुल
पक्का
अग्रेसिव नहीं है.
नहीं है, पक्का काट देंगे. क्योंकि जब भी मैं इंडिया में जाती थी या कुछ ऐसे, यहाँ मैंने
नहीं,
डॉग्स
आप
देखे, दे आर एक्सट्रीमली फ्रेंडली. तो ये मुझे लगता था ट्रॉपिकल वेदर है, इस वजह से प्रॉब्लम है वहां पे, या क्या है?
no, the dogs are not at all aggressive. अगर aggressive होते यहाँ तो अभी तक कोई इंसान सड़क पर चलता ही नहीं.
हाँ, क्योंकि इतने
What
इतने डॉग्स हैं.
you in America are not used to seeing stray dogs. You are used to seeing pet dogs on a leash. तो
हम्म.
आपको तो हर एक स्वीट लगता है क्योंकि वो आपके पास नहीं आ रहा है, वो बंधा हुआ है और उसके
हाँ.
मुंह पर मजल है. अब यहाँ आते हैं तो आप देखते हैं आजाद हिंदुस्तानी कुत्ते और
हाँ.
फिर आप डर जाती हैं क्योंकि आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
But if our dogs were aggressive, then we would not have so many people on the road with them.
That's a good point. What are some of the laws that you strongly feel needs to be changed or implemented to the T?
No, what needs to be changed? We need to have much stronger animal welfare laws.
Mm-hmm.
Now, in 1960, there was a very wonderful woman who was appointed to the Rajya Sabha called Rukmani Devi. She was a foremost dancer. She was very well known. Anyway, she brought in a private member's bill in 1960 saying कि कानून होना चाहिए for animals.
Mm-hmm.
And Pandit Nehru accepted the bill and made it into law immediately. And at that time, the government was so aware of animal rights in 1960 that they said कि the punishment for killing or maiming an animal should be rupees 50. Now,
At that
50
time.
rupees was at that time was when a colonel in the army used to get 1200 rupees. So you can imagine how important 50 rupees was.
Yeah,
अब तो 50 रुपए के साथ मूंगफली की एक गुट्ठी भी नहीं मिलती है.
I know.
So, but the fine remains the same. और सरकार हमारी आई और गई. Not one of them is concerned about this.
Yeah.
So there is a huge amount of. Secondly, there are no proper laws regarding vets. Now, our vets, if they're badly trained and they kill animals, there is no way you can do anything about them. ना आप ट्रेनिंग उनको ठीक से देंगे, ना
Yeah.
आप उनको पकड़ेंगे जब वो जानवर मार. There are no laws for illegal trafficking. So the smuggling continues hugely. Acha, then there are laws for lots of things, but they on paper and then they're never implemented. Misal, in 2018, government made a law saying pet shops are illegal.
The pet
They
shop,
have,
is it?
yeah, because pet shops are the biggest smugglers in the country.
Mm-hmm.
They smuggle from outside, they bring it in here. They're causing havoc in India. Havoc. Now, the law was that no more pet shops. And agar hone hain, they will have to be inspected regularly
Mm-hmm.
and they have to be licensed. Is waqt to sare unlicensed hai. Now, after the law was made, after 2018,
Mm-hmm.
not a single pet shop has been closed or inspected.
तो
तो
वो
फिर
चल
कानून
रहे
का
हैं, तो वो तब से चल रहे हैं.
तब से चल रहा है. फायदा क्या है? So
Mm.
lots now, for instance, we have something called the Chinese manja in India, which is जो पतंग का मांझा
पतंग
होता
का
है ना.
मांझा होता है, हाँ.
हाँ. In originally Chinese ने हमको दिखाया था कि कैसे गंदा से गंदा कर सकते हैं.
Mm.
And that is a plastic rope with conch on it, with glass pieces stuck on it. Now it is illegal, but thousands of manjas are in the sky. Now, when a bird flies, it gets stuck. That manja cuts its legs off. So we are
Yeah.
losing lakhs of birds every year during kite flying. But अब कानून है कि इलीगल है, लेकिन कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उससे कितने लोग मर भी चुके हैं. It's not just
बट
birds.
इतना माइन्यूट लेवल पे जाके कितने लोग सोचते हैं, मैम, आज आपको अपना
The
घर
point
चलाना
is,
है, आज
no,
आपको
the
अपने
point is,
बच्चे
there's no.
पालने हैं, सब करना है. दिस इज टू माइन्यूट फॉर एनीबडी. लाइक इवन आई एम हियरिंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कि किसी ने जो आकाश में कोई बर्ड उड़ रहा है उसके लिए भी कोई सोच रहा है.
तो अगर हम सब सोचते तो कितने मजेदार दुनिया बनती.
दुनिया बहुत पॉजिटिव हो जाती.
Nothing is minute, BT. Nothing is minute. Everything deserves thought and respect. What has happened is we have become totally self centered and we think only in terms of our own species. If
Mhm.
you think only in terms of your species, then everything else is minute.
Right.
Yeah. So
Ma'am, you
then,
talked about army a little bit. When in 1980, when the world collapsed around you, do you think the army background really helped you cope and made you the person you are today?
I'm sure I'm very proud of coming from an army background.
Right? Because what you've gone through at a tender age of 23 and Menika Gandhi that we see today, I think there is a day night difference, and there has to be some upbringing, some strong base that you would have registered that kind of helped you cope and this thing. Talk to us more about that, ma'am.
No, I don't think it's. I'm very proud of being in the army, and we grew up with a lot of discipline. But more than the army, it was my mother. It was my mother who sort of said, "Ki, think beyond yourself." Number one, and number two, competition बिल्कुल मत करना. तुम जो करो, you do what you need to do without competing with anybody. So that is what I followed my whole life. And if you're the best at what you do, दुनिया खुद ब खुद पास में आती है. But it's if we allow, all of us are born with compassion, and we beat it out of our children by the time they are 3 and 4 by laughing at them, telling them no, डरो 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 डरो, तब जाकर के हम दुनिया को भी तबाह कर लेते हैं. My parents never taught me to be scared about anything, and nor did my husband, and nor did anybody around me. So the question of being scared of the consequences, एक तो I'll tell you my philosophy. My philosophy is very simple. ना मैं पीछे के बारे में सोचती हूँ और ना मैं आगे के बारे में सोचती हूँ. जो दुनिया है और जो मेरी जिंदगी है, इट इज जस्ट टुडे. मैं उठती हूँ तो मेरी दुनिया शुरू होती है, मैं सोऊंगी रात को तो मेरी दुनिया खत्म हो गई. Now, this day of mine, I have to do the best and the most that I can to leave the world a better place. So it's not just for animals, it's for humans, it's for everybody.
Such a
So
beautiful thought.
but I'm busy every single minute of the day. And the reason for that is because I only have this one day. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We spend all our time either in the past or in the future.
Overthinking.
No, and for what reason you're wasting your time? ना पीछे का तुम बदल सकती हो ना आगे का, मगर तुम आज के दिन तो कर सकती हो ना. So if you live in this existentialist way, you will find that you become the best at what you do and you become the happiest at what you do. चाहे दुनिया कुछ भी बोले.
Perfect. What a beautiful thought to leave our audience with. Thank you so much, Manika ma'am, for joining us. Are you ready for a quick rapid fire? I have few questions listed down for you. If you were to choose one type of animal for the rest of your life, what would that be?
It would not be human, which is also an animal. I
Yeah.
don't know. I love them all equally.
Right. Yeah, especially that you're thinking about the pigeon flying in the sky somewhere. So I think you love everybody equally.
I
Which
also run 5 orphanages for children. So I'm saying कि when the heart opens, it opens for all. अगर नहीं खुलना है तो किसी के लिए नहीं खुलता है. तो people who
yeah,
say पहले अपने बारे में सोचो फिर किसी और, वो उनका दिल खुला ही नहीं है. Or people, you go out and you'll find people saying I work for blind people, and you'll say why not for deaf? अरे जो blind के लिए काम करते हैं वो सब के लिए करते हैं.
right,
The question of the heart is a door. It opens for all. All animal welfare people work for humans just as much.
right. Which animal is most loyal?
Why should they be loyal? तुमने अपने आप को सोचा क्या है? That they should be loyal. They should be loyal to each other. They should be loyal to their own. After all, animals are also nations. They are nations unto themselves who are
Right.
coexisting with us. हमारे ना नौकर है ना चाकर है. ना हमसे नीचे है,
हाँ.
हमारी बराबरी पर वो अलग है. So why should they be loyal to us? That's a very bad concept.
Okay. One rescue that taught you the biggest lesson of your life, and one rescue that you can never forget.
Mm, we do over 5,000 rescues a day.
Oh my goodness,
About
seriously?
5,000. And I will tell you, there's so many thousands of them. We've once found a horse जिसका पूरा मुंह खाया था. It didn't have a face because it had been eaten by maggots. Anybody would have said कि इसको एकदम सुला दो.
Hmm.
But we brought it home, we looked after him, and he developed after the maggots, we took them out. Aiste, aiste, his whole face was recreated. He was so beautiful. Once I saved a donkey whose entire body was covered with, pus, whole body. He
Hmm.
was stinking so much कि जो भी उसके पास जाता था उसको मारता था. So
Martha.
I brought him home. उसका नाम हमने दिलीप कुमार रखा और वो मेरे पास रहता था और रात को वो भंग खाता था और गाने लगता था. He would lie down on his back and he would start singing to the stars. And it was so wonderful listening to him.
My goodness. One animal behavior that never fails to amaze you.
Their intelligence, the intelligence and their love for life. अगर मैं उनकी जगह में होती तो मैं कभी बच्चे पैदा ही नहीं करती कि इस दुनिया में किस लिए आना. लेकिन they love their lives. And if
Yeah.
we would just allow them to enjoy their lives, it would be such fun. And when they're in their own element, they are so amazing. It's when we make them into knocker, chuckers, make them pull our carts and make them do horrible things.
Yeah.
At that point, they lose their ability. But even then, allow them to be free. If you had seen that donkey, which had gone from being, we took out 5 buckets of pus from his body. उसके बाद he enjoyed life so much that कि लगता नहीं कि कभी उसको मारा भी गया, कभी उसको रखा भी गया. We just need to give them respect. Forget love, just respect.
Respect. Best way to spread awareness on animal cruelty.
एक तो don't take part in it yourself. Don't wear leather. Be vegan. Put a certain amount of your money and give it to animal shelters. Give it to put it on social media every day. Whenever you see somebody mistreating an animal, or if you see somebody doing something good about an animal, put it on. Kabhi na kabhi. So there will be a response.
If one of your pet would be interviewing you today, what questions would they be asking you?
My dog would say to me कि क्या मुझे पूरा टोस्ट नहीं मिल सकता है?
उसके साथ बटर.
नहीं, बटर तो हम खाते नहीं है, लेकिन क्या हमको पूरा टोस्ट नहीं मिलेगा?
Oh my goodness.
आप कभी सोचा है कि आप लोग खाते खाते एक टुकड़ा दे देते हो कुत्ते को, तो वो भी सोचता होगा कि कभी मेरी किस्मत में एक पूरा टोस्ट नहीं होगा.
पूरा आएगा क्या? Ma'am, share couple of memories of Sanjay sir that you want to live over and over again.
No, I won't.
Too private for you. Excellent. Ma'am, thank you so much for being the voice for species, creatures that cannot speak for themselves. And thank you so much for all your seva. Before we depart, I know it's 80th Independence Day for India. What message would you like to give it to our citizens of our country?
Always be kind. Always. And if you want to do something, 99% of people in the world want to be admired. They want to be applauded. And 1% want to be worthy of admiration, worthy of applause. तुम 1% में से आ जाओ.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Really appreciate it.